Are the conditions good for looping? Welcome to 2-Minute Tech. We'll find out today when we work on combining condition statements with loops to make them more efficient. Let's get started. We'll go to My Flows and let's create a copy of this Send Files in OneDrive folder, flow that we created before, and we'll now call it Send Word Files in OneDrive folder. Hit Save. Go into it, turn it on, and we'll hit Edit and go back to the old designer. So this flow is listing all of the files in a OneDrive folder. We're looking at this folder here that has these 3 files of different types. And for each file that it finds, we're going through this loop and sending an email. But we want to make this more targeted, so we're going to modify this to only send emails for Word files. How can we do this? Well, let's try adding a condition statement. We'll go to Control, Condition, and if we click here, we can see in the output of list files and folder, we have a media type element. So let's click on that, but we need to know what to set this to. For that, let's look at our run history and take a look at this previous run of list files and folder. There's our Word doc, and if we go to media type, we can see this looks like the media type for a Word document. Let's copy this media type out, go back to our flow and paste it here. So this condition should only evaluate to true if the media type is equal to a Word document. Let's put our send an email action under the true path, and we'll change the subject of the email to Word file found in folder. There we go. Let's hit save. Why is this useful? Well, this loop, depending on how many files are found in this action, could run 5, 10, 100 times. And for performance reasons, and to make sure that you're not, in this case, unnecessarily notifying users, it's good to have condition statements to make sure that the loop is bounded and only invoking actions when it needs to. So if we do something like this to add a filter on file type, the current time, anything like that, it helps to make sure that the loop is only running when you need it to. Let's run a test and see how this works. All right, our flow is finished running. We can see that the first iteration of the loop, the condition evaluated to false, so we didn't do anything. Second iteration, it was true, and we sent an email about a Word document. It looks correct so far. And the last iteration, it was false, and we didn't do anything. Go to our email. Sure enough, we have 1 email for a Word document. This was a quick introduction to using condition statements and loops together to make your loops more effective. What are some useful ways you've used loops and condition statements together? Add these in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video to keep talking about Power Automate.